Nginibikele babukeli beSelect Africa TV bafethu konakele kakhulu sisemzo lifestyle la khona umzo launcha khona iradio yakhe bafethu. Niyazi umkhulu Hleze enza izinto ezinhle emphakathini. Nginomama ke la uMaZulu umama wakwakhe. Ma asikubingelele sikwamukele kwiSelect Africa TV.
Ngiyabingelela balaleli emakhaya nababukeli abantu abazobe sebebuka le video at the end of the day.
Ma konakele kakhulu namhlanje senzani la?
Hayi kubi kumanzi phansi. Today we're actually launching Dr. K online radio. Engicabanga ukuthi iradio ezokwazi ukusiza iyouth eningi emphakathini, well in fact even KZN as a whole.
Ma ngomunye wabantu abakhona abasebenzayo eredweni. Iluphi uhlelo lwenzayo lapha?
Makalilitha wenza i9 to 12 with Ufikele Mlomo. We are dealing with women empowerment. We believe ukuthi abantu besifazane they are faced with many challenges, so they need umuntu wesifazane ozokuhleze bagqugquza now and then.
Okay ma konakele kakhulu obani singabalindela la namhlanje abazobe khona benandisa?
It can be the likes of, okay, unfortunately Alex Ntiane is not but he's also here. As we all know, he is from Igagasi FM, a humongous supporter of Lomsakazi. We can check the likes of Udladam Shumisi, Babe Sodumo, and many more.
Masiyabonga kakhulu kusazoba mnandi.
Sazoba mnandi, sazoba mnandi phakathi.
Babukeli beSelect Africa TV kusesemnandi sakhipha siyaqhubeka la konakele kakhulu. Ngilo ngithatha nje omama bakadokotela. Ngiza noma mncane manje. Ma asikubingelele sikwamukele kwiSelect Africa TV.
Ninjani bhuti wami, ngithanda ukunibingelela nonke abalaleli baka Dr. Khehlelezi, Dr. K online. Sithi siyabonga nonke nokuthi nibe khona la ekhaya namhlanje.
Konakele kakhulu ke ma, sibiziwe kwashawa ikhona kwathi wasize la. Nenzani?
Well, namhlanje kahle si launcha Dr. K online, radio station ya Dr. K. So namhlanje sa launcha sithi wonke nje umuntu okhona eThekwini akeza zo support.
Babukeli beSelect Africa TV kusesemnandi bafowethu ngilanda uMambomvu ke ngangimgcine emlazi sizokwenza izinto zenzeke namhlanje senza izinto ziyenzeka. Mambomvu uyaphila seswami?
Ngiyaphila ninjani?
Ngikhona mfowethu konakele kakhulu. Asitshela abantu kwenzakalani namhlanje la?
Isilokhu sizenza nje izinto njengoba nazi, every day is big Tina. So today we're launching Dr. K online radio. So yes, I'm a presenters ethu niyabona mahle afuzuma wabo. So yeah, we invited everyone ukuthi bazoshoyina namhlanje sizo embrace nje lo suku, and amabhizinisi are invited to also come and advertise on our radio station, and we also advise our young individuals nje ukuthi abe part of this movement, because this is a movement kahle kahle where sithi abantu abamnyama basukume bazithathe, and entertainment naye must be on board and just enjoy with us.
Mana mfowethu next month singena kwe youth month. Ungathini mfowethu kule generation yethu yamanje?
I'm just glad ukuthi bese ngishilo-ke nje ukuthi intsha ivuke ithathe yabona. So right now I think everybody will realize ukuthi our youth is just not employed. Unemployment is a huge crisis in this country. So asingalindi ukuthi loya hulumeni loya eslibe simkhomba ngo7 ukuthi asenzele izinto. It's up to us ukuthi sithathe and find opportunities within ourselves first. Yabona. So yes, Dr. K online is also open to give you opportunities. If uzizwa ukuthi unekhono noma uyawenza yazini ngiyafisa ukuphatha oflewa umndeni loya, send your CV, and luckily Ubaba Khehlelezi has a lot of platforms yabona apart from this radio station. So do send your CV, don't be afraid, and again ungazibeki phansi. We are a youth powerful, we are a generation ezoyenza statements. So yes, be that person who stands up ongahlali phansi.
So lifestyle sinoma ngubane bafowethu la omunye futhi umama lo ababa Khehlelezi esinayo ibona omama Magubane. Oh okay. Oh Magubane bafowethu hayi usengicorrectile Magubane. Siyabonga kakhulu. Ushala uphi uhlelo lapha?
I'm doing the morning drive. It's the morning snack, guys, and thank you so much for the response. But the response or the feedback that I'm getting from abantu, they're like, Mbali, uthathwe, we want to also be gagas. I'm like, no. You know, I think I've always liked the radio, but then imang through my husband, of which I'm very grateful for, and I'm not going to take this opportunity for granted. So yes, morning drive, guys, is very important. We're saying take a bite of the snack. It's very nice. Njengama host enu.
Mfowethu siyabonga kakhulu, siyajabula ukuthi sibe nathi la ukuthi nisimeme sibe khona la, siyajabula bafowethu kakhulu ngani zakwethu, sicela ukuthi impumelelo iqhubeke bafowethu, siyabonga.
We do want development, and again, we do appreciate the appearance here, no guys. Asibukeli phansi nakancane. Thank you so much.
Siyabonga.